Hello friends, what's going on guys? Last week I joined in the affiliate program Kickstarter and this week I got one conversion. Just you can check here my commission is $19.6 and here last day I got 5 clicks and today I got 3 clicks and one conversion. I'm just refreshing it. Yes, $19.6 is my commission. So what is Kickstarter is all about? Kickstarter is basically a software for Instagram growth. To grow the Instagram followers, the people who don't have time to engage in the Instagram platform, if they are some business doing some business and want to promote their business through Instagram and they want to grow and they want niche based followers. So on that case they promote Kickstarter. And here I am inside the sales page of Kickstarter. Here you have to come and in the below of this page there is affiliates. You need to click here and you will come to this page and you can check there is 50% commission and 45 days cookies are there. That means somebody click on your link today, somebody click on your link and within 45 days he or she buy from that device, then you will get the commission. And about the pricing part, there are two plans, $49 and $99 for standard and premium plan. So this is not a good one. It's a very good affiliate program you can promote. And the 40% commission is not bad. This is a good amount. And how I promote this Kickstarter affiliate program, that I'll show you in a second now. And here you can see that I'm inside my page, inside my website highqualitylead.net. Here you come and just search Kickstarter and I have written one small review on Kickstarter. Before that, you need to join in the affiliate program by going here affiliate and you can easily join, sign up and you will join inside the affiliate program, and this is the dashboard of that affiliate program. And I have written a small review on that what are the is Kickstarter safe and legit, and the features part, pros, cons, who is Kickstarter for, price details, money back guarantee, is Kickstarter legit and safe, and last the conclusion. It's not a big one, it's small only, a small review. You can also do the same. If you do not have any website, no problem, you can go to the Google sites. Yes, you can go to the Google sites. There you can create your page, a single page you can create for the landing page you can create, but do not forget to use a custom domain. A custom domain is required because whenever you will run an ad inside your page, the custom domain is required. Otherwise, Google may ban your account or may not display your ad properly. So a custom domain you must use, and you can use your Google sites to create your landing page. If you don't know how to create the Google sites, how you can create the Google, you can definitely check my other videos. There I will put in the description below the video link and how you can create a complete landing page by using the Google site. Then come next to the Google Ads section and you need to run an ad. How you can run an ad? You just sign up inside the Google Ads and start a new campaign. And first you have to put your credit card details or debit card details or bank details, anything you need to do that. Otherwise you cannot proceed for the next step. And start your campaign now. But before that, you have to create this small review. If you don't know how to create a review, you can copy my review, but do not copy and paste. You just come to my website and just you copy this my article and you rewrite these things. You just read this one and rewrite this one. But complete copy and paste is not good, because Google don't love this. And this also, completely, if you completely copy and paste my website, then Google may ban your Google ad account. So what you can do, you can take help from Quillbot. Quillbot is a, here it is. Quillbot is a software to change or spin the original content, but make sure it is readable. Otherwise it's a machine generated content only, so on that may not be properly readable for others. So you check once the all the lines of the sentences is readable, and then come to the Google Ads sections, and here you choose website traffic and then search campaigns, and put your landing page link. In my case I will use this one. You put here, so first one is your website traffic, then search, and then your landing page need to put here, and then continue. Google is always slow even if your internet connection is fast. Here you choose the budget. You can spend 500 rupees a day, and for the bidding part, no, you need to click here, and then you put manual CPC. Here you keep that optimize for conversion and come to the next step. And we don't need to display in the search network and display network, so we will uncheck both the boxes. And next we'll only run these advertisements in the tier 1 countries. So enter your location. You can choose US, United States, then Canada, then New Zealand, you can use Australia, you can use other countries also like Germany, Italy. If you want, you can use those countries also, but normally I use the tier 1 countries only. And the language section you put English only, because your landing page is in English. And next, here one thing more, that in the location option, keep present people on regularly on this location. You choose the middle one. And next, here the default bid section, you can keep 30 rupees. 30 rupees is enough for this, because we are targeting 4 or 5 countries, and this is their keyword is. And the next section, to choose the keywords. You can do brand bidding also. If 30 rupees is not enough, then we can change this later on. We can do brand bidding like Kickstar, then Kickstar review, Kickstar review. This is all about Instagram, so we can use Instagram. Then we can use Instagram. It's very slow. And you have to use the third bracket here, that is the exact match. Do not use the broad match. Broad match will only waste your money. Do not use broad match, always use exact match, or you can use phrase match also. Phrase match, normally I use phrase match and exact matches only. I never use broad match for my ad campaign. Basically the word Instagram is a bold word here, so that is the reason here showing 25 clicks. So on that case, what can you do? You can insert Instagram growth, you can use instead of Instagram only. Yes, so this is the keywords we choose. No, you put some more words like Instagram growth, Instagram growth software, this kind of words. For that you come to the Google keyword planner, and here you can check the keywords. From there you can check the total keyword research you can do from there, but I'm not going into all such details. You just go there and do your keyword research. You don't need to purchase any kind of costly software. Use Google keyword planner is enough for the same. And you need to create your ad here, and for that you use Kickstar. It's very slow. Kickstar underscore review. So you need to put all the keywords here, like easy and simple to use. But here you, in the first point, you must use, this is the first position, you must use Kickstar review. Here it is not required. This is my website. Yes, it's coming only. But you use your own. At least you use 5 to 6 points here, and then come to the description sections. Also you must use something from your landing page and something catchy, that why it is important, like these kind of lines you can use from here, like Kickstarter is an Instagram tool that will powered by artificial intelligence. You can use this line from there. There will be ad relevancy on that case, and your click through rate CTR will be high. And you can use no fake followers. This is okay. No fake followers, no bots, and no spam. Get access to Kickstarter official website, and you can use this one and put next. And you must use site link extension. You must use at least 4 site link extension. This is required to increase your quality score. Quality score is very important. because quality score only bring your advertisements in the first page and in the first position. So do not forget to use the site link extension. At least 4 site link extension you must use. And the next, for I'm not doing right now, so next, no need anything. Site link extension is only enough here. No call out extension, call extension is not required. Then next, budget budget limit campaigns. You are saying that you can increase some budget, but if you want to keep it, you can keep like that, no problem. And publish the campaign. Actually, I already running a campaign, so that is the reason I will not publish right now. For this campaign, I am already running these kind of campaigns for other Google ad platforms, other accounts. I am running 2 3 ads, so that is the reason I will not run this advertisement. So that's it for today. If you want, you can easily do this. If you do not have website, use your use Google sites. This is easy to use. How can you use the how can you create a landing page? Check my other videos there. I'll put in the description below, you can check that one. It's easy. So this way you can get result within 1 or 2 days. Only last week only I create my account and I convert today $19.6. And that ROI, about the ROI, I only spend, I got 8 clicks, 5 clicks last day and 3 clicks, 8 clicks, and it's cost around 300 rupees, and that that is around 1500 rupees. I earned 1500 rupees, so it's a great ROI. I feel it's not bad. And if you want, you can also do the same, and you can run also Google ad. You can also run the Google ad. So that's it for today. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you'll be get notified instantly. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.